Today I will discuss about the biology subject chapter second. Main topic is cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. First of all, I told you about the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, also called as blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria, also called as blue-green algae. In abbreviation, it is BGA. Blue-green algae abbreviation is BGA. Cyanobacteria have few peculiar property. Like cyanobacteria are unicellular, but it is eukaryotic type of cell. Unicellular and eukaryotic organism. Cyanobacteria is unicellular and the prokaryotic. Here it is the unicellular and prokaryotic type organism. Unicellular and prokaryotic organism. Sometimes it is colonial. Sometimes colonial or filamentous structure. Colonial or filamentous form. As in case of the Nasto colony, here in the Nasto colony, the presence of vegetative cell in the row which are smaller in size than the cell of heterocyst. This is the heterocyst cell which is large size and generally has the polar nodule. Heterocyst cell has the polar nodule and this polar nodule contains the enzyme and the gene, you can say. This is the NIF gene. NIF gene takes part in the nitrogen fixation in the heterocyst cell. There are few cells also present in the vegetative cells which surrounds by the thick wall, and these are generally considered as asexual structure like the achinids. These cells may surround by the thick wall. These cells are now called as achinid. Achinid takes part in the asexual reproduction in the blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, the total filament or total colony surrounded by a mucilage sheath. This mucilage sheath protect the colony, means protect from desiccation or protect from dryness. Dryness does not occur due to the presence of mucilage sheath, and this mucilage sheath, which generally has a thick sheath which generally surround the vegetative cell. This thick sheath surround the vegetative cells, and the heterocyst take important role. In few cyanobacteria, heterocyst is found at the basal part, as basal heterocyst is present in the few type of blue-green algae, as the blue-green algae cells are arranged in such a way that is the presence of the a conical form or pointed structure in which the vessel heterocyst present. Vessel heterocyst found in the case of the blue-green algae called as Gloeotricha. Here, Gloeotricha, basal heterocyst present in the case of blue-green algae Gloeotrichum species. The others are generally considered as in the form of trichome because the vegetative cell here present in the row, a chain of row in which large size cells are present at the near the heterocyst and smaller cells arranged one by one away from the heterocyst. So a trichome-like structure developed in the Gloeotrichum. Here it is the one BGA, which is Gloeotrichum. Now the blue-green algae sometimes causes water bloom. What is water bloom? This is the question. Water bloom case generally formation of a brownish or reddish color on the water bodies due to the abundant numbers of the blue-green algae, which are Nostoc, Anabaena, Microcystis, which generally present on the surface of the water bodies like ponds and causes a bad smell. Generally, bad smell occur due to the death of the aquatic animals like fishes and others. So, water bloom occur by blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, it is the as old world because the cell like the bacteria. As you know, in the bacterium cell, it is the unicellular structure, but it is the prokaryote type of cell. So unicellular and prokaryotic type of cells also found in the blue-green algae. That is why blue-green algae also called as cyanobacteria. Other character of cyanobacteria is such bacteria or such blue-green algae generally fix the nitrogen as in the case of Anabaena, Anabaena, Anabaena azulea. Anabaena azulea name has given for blue-green algae which is present as endophyte. Endophyte means present in the leaf of a fern called azolla. So name has given Anabaena azulea, which is mostly grow in the paddy crops. Why paddy crops? Because paddy crops much irrigation required, much water required. So Anabaena azulea is found in the leaf of azolla, and this azolla fern floats on the water. But when dry up due to the death of azolla, the leaf decomposed and it increases the soil fertility of the rice. So the rice production increases about 30 to 40% due to the presence of Anabaena azulea. Anabaena culture has done in our country at the IRRI Cuttack, Orissa. IRRI means Indian Rice Research Institute, which is in the Cuttack, and the farmers mixed Enamina in the soil and spray in the rice crops field. So it increases soil fertility due to the fixed nitrogen in the soil. So fixed nitrogen as in Enamina usually in paddy crops. Which type of crops? Paddy crops. Why paddy crop? Because I told you earlier, paddy crop require much water. Presence of the as the Enamina cycadi. Enamina cycadi present in the coralloid root of cycas. In the coralloid root of cycas. You know about the cycas. Cycas is gymnosperm in which presence of coralloid root, which generally found above the soil, but coralloid root has the dichotomous branching. Generally roots has two branches. Again each branch produces two branches. So this is called dichotomous branching, which is found in the case of the cycas, a type of gymnosperm, and it has the role of root but helpful in the nitrogen fixation in the cycas. So bluegill algae important role is to fix the nitrogen and causes water bloom. Now come to the next topic, that is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma generally called as cell wall-less animalcule. Here cell wall-less animalcule term apply because there is no cell wall which surround the cell, but presence of three-layer lipoprotein membranes which surround the cell. That is why sometimes mycoplasma has different types of shape and known as joker of plant kingdom. Known as joker of plant kingdom. Mycoplasma also called joker of plant kingdom. As joker of plant kingdom name has given due to the absence of cell wall. If cell wall absence occur, then the cell changes their shape. Mycoplasma which causes different diseases in the plant. One very important disease is little leaf of brinjal. One very important disease is known as little leaf of brinjal, in which the leaf of brinjal generally become smaller in the size and very smaller size leaf present. The fruit oftenly not develop if develop very small in the size. So little leaf of brinjal which is caused by the mycoplasma, and smallest mycoplasma is called as, here smallest mycoplasma name has referred by the Mycoplasma letlevi, and it is considered as smallest cell. It is considered as smallest cell. Mycoplasma generally grow in the sterols. So here used to grow on sterol, grow on the sterols. Mycoplasma generally grow on the sterols. This is the structure of Mycoplasma letlevi. Mycoplasma, let Levy structure has shown here. It is the spherical body generally surrounded by the three layers of lipoprotein membranes. Due to the presence of three layers of lipoprotein membranes, it survives well and causes different type of diseases in different plants, like bunchy top of papaya, like witch's brooms of the cotton and potato, like little leaf of brinjal. So these are the different diseases in the plants. Mycoplasma also causes inflammation of genitalia in the human and causes sterility in the human. So sterility occurs due to the Mycoplasma hominis in the human. Mycoplasma generally considered as the cell wall-less animalcule. As you know, the term animalcule told first by the Anton van Leeuwenhoek, which is generally microscopic structure. But Mycoplasma avoid of cell wall, that is why the term applied as cell wall-less animalcule for the Mycoplasma, and it changes their shape, so it is called as joker of plant kingdom. As you notice that in earlier two kingdom system, the bacteria also confined in the plant kingdom like Mycoplasma. That is why the term applies joker of plant kingdom. Mycoplasma also called as cell wall-less prokaryote. It is also called as cell wall-less prokaryote. Cell wall-less means cell wall absent. Cell wall-less prokaryote, as it has the generally few nature like the prokaryote. What are the characteristic features of Mycoplasma which shows the similarity with prokaryote? This is the question. So Mycoplasma generally nucleolus absent. In Mycoplasma, absence of nuclear membrane, and in Mycoplasma, true nucleus absent. So seeing the three characters of Mycoplasma, it is called as prokaryote. In the prokaryote conditions, there are the definite character is absence of nucleolus, absence of nucleolus, absence of the nuclear membrane, and this nuclear membrane generally present in the case of the eukaryotic cell. So absence of nucleolus, absence of nuclear membrane, this shows the characters of prokaryote. So in this way, today we study about the cyanobacteria and Mycoplasma in details. There are very much importance of the cyanobacteria in the living world. As cyanobacteria, which is considered as blue-green algae, in abbreviation it has noticed as BGA. BGA are many types. Sometimes it is colonials, spherical bodies, and sometimes it is filamentous. As in case of Nostoc colony, here many cells are arranged one by one in the form of a chain, and these cells are called as vegetative cells. Sometimes large size cell present between the vegetative cells, which is called a heterocyst. This heterocyst take part in the nitrogen fixation, in which the much nitrogen fixed by the help of a gene present at the nodal part, which is called a polar nodule. Here colon nodules which contain the special gene which is called as NIF gene, and this NIF gene which take part in the nitrogen fixation as in case of Nastoc colony. In the Nastoc colony, sometimes it adopted under the unfavorable condition. Here, what is means of unfavorable condition? Unfavorable condition means high temperature, low temperature, drought condition, and very adverse condition, unfavorable condition. So, due to the survival for the unfavorable condition, there is presence of a thick mucilage sheath around the such type of Nastoc colony. This is the mucilage sheath which protect from the dryness, which protect from the drought. Ena Bina Cycadea, which generally present in the coralloid root of cycas. As you know, cycas is good example of the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm, I mean to say the group of plant in which the seed naked, means naked seeds are found, called gymnosperm. One is cycas is very important example in which the few roots are comes out from the surface and shows the continue dichotomous branching, has the nitrogen fixation due to the presence of Ena Bina Cycadea in the root of the special type which is called as coralloid root. Ena Bina azole, which is found in the paddy crops, generally Ena Bina azole as endophyte of a floating ferns called azolla, which fixes nitrogen and increases the crop yield more than 30%. I mean to say the total of 150 kilograms per hectare nitrogen fixation agar every year in the rice crops. As a book written by the Dr. R.N. Singh, which generally work on the Ena Bina, the role of blue-green algae in the nitrogen fixation in the paddy crops as main heading. So, blue-green algae involved in the nitrogen fixation, but very much important question of the several examination, like NEET examinations. The name of blue-green algae which has basal heterocyst, and answer is Gloriotrichum. Gloriotrichum which has basal heterocyst and the cells are arranged one by one as having the smaller in the size and covered by the sheath, and this structure is called as trichome. So, you study about the cyanobacteria in details, and mycoplasma is very much important, but causes diseases in the plants like little leaf of brinjal, and generally the considered by the common name as joker of plant kingdom. Sometimes due to absence of cell wall, it is called cell wall-less animalcule. Mycoplasma, let me be the smallest organism known as the smallest mycoplasma is Mycoplasma dendlevi. Structure has discovered here. Total structure as containing the 3 lipoprotein membrane. So 3 layered outer membranes generally protect the double helical structure of the DNA and RNA found in the soluble form. Sometimes soluble substance is also presented here, and mycoplasma generally grow in the steroids, and sometimes mycoplasma can survive in the presence of the antibiotic like the neomycin, kanamycin, aureomycin, but killed by the antibiotic tetramycin and the chloramphenicol. Okay.